Okay, doctor, commence operation.
Beep.
Doctor, be careful.
Beep.
Doctor, be careful.
Would you shut up?
Beep. Fine, I don't need you anyway.
Beep. Beep. Beep.
Doctor!
Beep, 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 beep,
I'm
beep,
using
beep,
healing
beep,
touch.
beep, 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 beep.
Holy crap, Angie, I used the scalpel! Doctor! What did you do?
Oh, would you shut up? I know what I'm doing. All rise for the Honorable Judge Dude.
Like, order in the court, dude. Okay, like the prosecutor, state their, case or something, dude. Thank you, Your Honor. You see, at 6:33 a.m. yesterday morning, the defendant, Derek Stiles, killed his patient. Again. Along with his nurse, Angie. And so, Your Honor, I will prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Derek Stiles is in fact guilty.
Did you know that the sand squeaks when you step on it? My surfer, oh, dude, it's like, your turn. Edgeworth done.
What happened?
He's done, dude. Talk. Yeah, what you said, just the complete opposite. So, you want to call, your first witness to stand or whatever, dude? Call him?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. I call Earl Kane Hargreaves to the stand. Now, Kane, tell us, where were you yesterday at 6:33 a.m.? Well, you see, yesterday I was at the hospital and... Objection!
Why are you in your dressing robes?
Hold it! What does the witness's dressing robe have to do with anything? I was getting to that. You see, I accidentally seemed to have poisoned my butler Riff, and do I honestly look like the kind of guy who can dress himself? Ugh, pitiful mortals. Anyway, why are you wearing a skirt?
Because it makes me feel pretty.
What's that? Objection! I object to the earthquake! Objection! Your objection is objectionable!
Oh, we're gonna die! We're gonna die! We're gonna keep dying! Dude!
Dude, what happened? Did you? Poster?
Right, you see, the energy is released along this break, the fold, the head wall slips, you see? Now, the energy is given off in the form of waves. This is given off from the focus. It appears that we are at the epicenter, the point directly above the focus. And it seems Edgeworth is deathly afraid of earthquakes.
Where's the body?
That's a good question.
I still プラスティック熱い眼差しにはエコロジストの燃える口